بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Sehrish Jamil from British Institute, and this channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Dear viewers, today we are going to discuss about the idiom argue the toss.
Argue the toss.
To disagree with a decision or statement.
It doesn't matter what you say, I'll always argue the toss. One, let's not argue the toss, we have to accept his choice. 2, he had better things to do than argue the toss. 3, well, you weren't gonna argue the toss.
Etymology. Possibly derived from the toss of a coin to decide something, such as before a cricket or football match. Verb. Argue the toss. Third person singular simple present argues the toss, present participle argue in the toss, simple past and past participle argued the toss. Especially Britain, to dispute a decision already made, when inappropriate to do so.
If you have learnt this idiom, then kindly like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon so you can easily be informed for the new incoming video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.